today's video, I'll be guiding you through on how to redo in Adobe Acrobat. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So let's say you're working on this page, you're just highlighting stuff, and you want to redo. Okay, so I'm just highlighting. Let's say I'm just highlighting this part over here and stuff like this. Okay, let's highlight. I'm just highlighting everything. So let's say I just want to undo this part. I just want to change it in different color, or I just want to not highlight this. Okay, so let's just undo it by tapping this icon. But I just changed my mind and I just want to redo it again. So in order to redo, we just undid it. But in order to redo, there is just the icon at the opposite of undo. It says redo. So if you tap into that icon, and as you can see, it disappeared again. So what this will do is it will just undo everything you just did. It will just redo it again. Suppose you have undo it, it will just bring it back. So this is basically how it works. Just this case is of the highlight. You can use it in any case. So it is applicable in everything in Adobe Acrobat. While you're working on Adobe Acrobat, just click in this one of this, and in order to redo, just click in this icon right here, and you'll be able to do it. You'll be just fine. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful. If so, please consider subscribing and liking our video. Yes.